Good. Now we are now at real numbers. The real numbers, the fathers of all these numbers. So let's look at it how it look like. The real numbers, the symbols we use for all these symbols, all these numbers have their symbols. The symbols we use, the basic operation, and then the vocabulary of the number. Real numbers, you see their family. This is the father. It's divided into two. We have rational numbers and irrational numbers. Under the rational numbers, we have integers, we have fractional numbers, we have whole numbers, we have natural numbers, we have zero. You see, this is the family of real numbers. Now let's look at their symbols. All of them have their symbols. So don't use them interchangeably, okay? Real numbers, we usually use R, very thick R. For natural numbers, we use N, and this is thick. For whole numbers, we use W. For integers, we use Z. You say, how come integer Z? That's what we use. We can have cross. That is, integers that are positives, and then integer that are negative. So negative integer, positive integer. So we have rational numbers. We use Q to represent rational numbers. Q. And we use Q bar to represent the irrational numbers. Sometimes look, use I. And then of course, the real numbers can also be positive real numbers or negative real numbers. Okay? Of course, natural is positive. Whole number is positive. So these are the ones that we can use. Okay? Now, let's look at some operation that put all these guys together. So, let's look at our basic operation. But before we look at the basic operation, let's see how we order the operation. We have three different ways and many more. But this board mass is commonly used in Britain, UK. What does it mean? This means brackets. We'll put the bracket first. This order, that is like exponential roots, like irrational number, you see. This is division, multiplication, subtraction, addition, and then subtraction. This is commonly used by British, and of course, British colonized country. Okay, and then pen mass. Pen mass is commonly used in America. This means parentheses, brackets, parentheses, exponent, something is powering something, multiplication, division, addition, and then subtraction. And we have bedmass. Well, bedmass is commonly used by Canadians. And this, of course, they are all meaning the same. They are just trying to write it different way. Okay? The bedmass is like just like this one, the brackets, the parentheses, okay? Brackets, and this exponents, just like this. Exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So any of these you want to use, no problem. They all mean the same. Bracket, that is parentheses, bracket, exponent, of order. Division. So if you like to do division before addition, before multiplication, they work interchangeably. Don't forget that you have to change exponents, reciprocal of division to come to multiplication, right? So they are all the same. So don't be panicked. So anyone you want to use, it's your choice. But you have to follow the order. Okay? That if you have a bracket, deal with the one I said the bracket first before you move on. Good. So let's have some examples using the idea we have. So of course, anyone you like to use, but for me, I would like to use both mass. The reason? Well, I don't know. Now let's start. Both mass means bracket first. Let me write it somewhere. I want to use this. So bracket first. Parentheses first. So I have to open this first. So I have 2 squared plus 6 times 3 minus 5 minus 1 is 4. I have done this. This is like of, that is exponent. So I want to use exponent next. Also, I told you we have big mass. Big mass. Which country uses this one? I don't know. Maybe it's my country. So using indices. Okay. So index is here, exponent. So the next now is to operate the exponent. So 2 squared means 2 times 2. 2 in 2 places. Not 2 times 2 like this, but 2 in 2 places. So 2 in 2 places is what? 4. Plus 6 times 3 minus 4. I have used this guy. I have used this guy. The next is division. But in this place, there is no division. So after division is multiplication. Do we have multiplication? So I have to operate the multiplication next. So I will have 4 plus operating this guy. Don't forget I did this first. I did this second. Now I want to do this one. So 6 times 3 is 18 minus 4. Make it easy. Once you remember this formula, life is easy for you. After that, addition, it is next. Addition is next. So I have to operate this next. So operating it next, we have 4 plus 18, which is 22 minus 4. And the last one is what? Subtraction. So I cannot operate it. So 22 minus 4 is what? You see here for both mass, or we call it big mass. Clear? Good. Let's go to the next question. Again, bracket first, but here there is no bracket. Next is exponent. Do we have exponent? We have exponent here. So I have to go off that one. So we have 9 minus 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 12 plus 12 plus 45 times, now 2 squared. So I want to operate this one first. 2 squared is 4 times 3 minus 7. I'm doing it step by step. Of course, I can do 2 steps at the same time, but I want you to understand it. And then you understand it very well, you can jump. But don't jump inside canal. Be careful. Now the next is, we have done this now. Division. Do I have division? Yes. All this one divided by this one. But first, before we can do that, we have to finish the numerator before we do the numerator, before we divide it. So this is the multiplication. So multiplication is the next. We have multiplication here? No. So I will write this one. Now multiplication is here. So 3 times 4 is 12. Now, after that is addition. So I want to add anything plus. I want to add it. So I have 4, this minus, so this is plus. I can operate this guy. 2.5 plus 12.5. That is what? 15. Right? It's 15. Divided by 12 minus 7. Again, addition is here. So I can say this is plus. So I can say 9 plus 15. 9 plus 15 is what? 24. 9 plus 15, that is this guy plus this guy. I want to follow the rule. I know I can do that once, I know, but I want to follow the rule so that you see how it works. So minus 4 divided by 12 minus 7. Now, the last is subtraction. We have break that to subtraction now. So for the upper, this is 20. For the lower is 5. We finish everything. Now we can divide this, which is possible. Is it possible? Yes, we can cancel it. 5 goes here 1, 5 goes here 4. By people, the answer is 4. The final answer. Okay, can you try this at home? Try it. Don't look at this video. Stop. Pause it. Solve it yourself, and later check the solution. This is how you can help yourself. Okay? Stop it. Pause. Now let's look at the solution. Again, brackets, the parentheses. Now we have two different types of parentheses here. We have outer parentheses and we have inner parentheses. You have to go inside first. So 6 squared, we have no business for now. This pen has started again. So we have 9 plus inside 7 minus 5. That is 2 squared. You see? Parentheses. Deal with it first. The one inside first before you do the one outside. Plus 49 divided by 7. The first parenthesis is gone. Now, the second parenthesis, now, we have 6 squared minus, now, you have to be careful here. This is index inside it. 2 cube, that is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 in 3 places, which gives us what? 8. Right? This gives us, first, I operate this guy. Now, I want to operate this. Plus 49 divided by 7. Break it down step by step. No rushing. I still have parentheses. You can see this one, I'm just writing it. I have to finish that parentheses first before I can go outside. That is it. So we have 6 squared. Now, 9 plus 8 will give us what? 17. Plus 49 divided by 7. Now, no more parentheses. We are done with the parentheses. Now, what is next after that? Division. No, index. We have 3 parentheses. Index now. Index. Or exponent. So we have one exponent here. We have 6 squared. That is 6 in 2 places. Which is what? 26 minus 17 plus 49 divided by 7. Now, what is next? After index, division. Division is the next. Do we have division? Yes, we have division. It means that 47 is dividing, 49 is dividing 7. So, we write this guy. What we did now is this. So, now we want to operate this guy. 47 divided by 7. Sorry, 49 divided by 7. That's 7, right? 7. So, this divided by this is 7. So, this is plus 7. What is next after? Addition. Addition, this addition, which means we had this guy with this guy. Right? So, 36 plus 7 is what? 43. 43 minus 17. Minus is the last, and then we subtract. So, 43 minus 17. This is 3 left. This is 13. So 13 minus 7, 6, and this is 2. So the final answer here is 26. And that's it. Please